My name is Michael Flood. I dance with just a whole crump scene. I'm the founder of Street Rats Crew, BAM. I'm also a part of Pathfinders North, BAM. My dance name, Sarge. Crump name, JR Versus Styles, aka J-Verse, aka JV Dot. I took a break in the dance scene when I joined the military back in 2009, because when I left, I wasn't dancing for about 6 months, and when I came back, the dance scene had completely changed. So I was just out of it for about a year or two. And then just recently, earlier this year, I've gone back to crumping. So that's really big for me right now. Dance's community is like the greatest thing in the world right now. It was just amazing, the crazy vibe. It was a whole bunch of local people from St. Mary's County, Maryland, California, Maryland, Hollywood, Maryland. And it was just a great blend. And DIC is all about bringing people from this area and out of this area together. And do that very effectively and efficiently. What I wanted the students to get out of my class was to have fun. Get out of Lyrical, shallow shell, and just have fun. Be entertaining. Be entertained by yourself.